Hello, my name is Maron. We are from Sabah, and you can get more information from www.sabahpark.org.my. Okay, bye.
Hi, I'm Kim Chung from Nature Society Singapore. You can find us at www.nss.org.ng. Good morning, I'm Adrian Constantino from Birding Adventure Philippines. If you want to know more about birding Philippines, visit our website at www.birdingphilippines.com. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jessica and I am from Reef Guardian, and you can find us at www.reefguardian.com.my. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I am Naz, and we are from Danabirang Field Center. And you can find more info about Danabirang Field Center on our Facebook and Instagram. Just type Danabirang Field Center.
Hi, I'm Yulinda and we are from One Stop Borneo Wildlife. You can find us from Instagram by searching Wildlife Club. Bye! Hello, my name is Dana David and we are from Conservation and Environmental Management Division of Yayasan Sabah Group. You can get more information at our website borneoforestheritage.org.my. Hi, my name is Saida Hazika. We are from Jabatan Hidupan Liar, Sepilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Center. You can visit our Instagram to get more info about our station.
What's your Instagram?
Our Instagram is Sepilok Orangutan.
Hello, my name is Ramlan Najib bin Abdurrahman. I am from Amin Wildlife Resort. You can get our info here from www.kabinwildlife.com.
Hello, my name is Amon Liu Kirati Yutkun from Bird Conservation Society of Thailand. We are from Thailand, Bangkok. So if you want to know more about information, please follow us at Bird Conservation Society of Thailand in Facebook page. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Azizi. We are from Tourism Pahang. You can get more information about Pahang through our website www.pahangtourism.org.my. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Jules.
And I'm Camille.
And we are from the Wild Bird Club of the Philippines. To know more about the club, visit www.birdwatch.ph.
See you.
Hi, I'm Achal and we are from Expo Guidelines. You can get more information by visiting our website at www.explogaya.com. Bye!
Hi, I'm Thomas from Fujifilm Malaysia. Come check out our booth and go to our page fujifilm-x.com for more information.
Hi everyone, I'm Hunter Zhang. I come from Canon Marketing Malaysia. If you want to know more information, please visit our website canon.com.my.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Glenn from Swarovski Optics. For more information, please visit our Facebook page, Swarovski Optics Singapore. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jason from Traffic Optics. For more information, you can find us on Facebook. Search for Traffic Optics.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark from SB Boni. To learn more about our products, do visit our Facebook page at SB Boni Southeast Asia. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hon. I'm from OMD, World Imaging Camps in Lebanon. we are national distributor for both Olympus and OM system. Alright, so we are carrying most Olympus and OM systems, equipment, photographic equipment. And if you want to find more information, please go for this site. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shaiful and we are from
Sony Malaysia!
If you want to know about our products, you can go to our website www.sony.com.my.
Thank you very much!
Yeah.